start. Unboxing. First unit in Malaysia. Super giant.
You see the picture?
Excited, right?
Right, you see the
Let's
picture?
see. Oh yeah.
R100E.
Hula. Look at that.
Ini cabin kot.
Wow.
Ini for brushless
Yes.
120A. Sorry.
Relax, relax.
Ini 60A Hobby Wing.
Good.
Tengok tayar.
Oh la la. Crazy huge.
Biasa.
Nak compare rim ah?
Compare rim. Compare rim.
Rim pun besar daripada tayar. Gila lah.
Kita tengok dia punya drive motor.
Drive motor.
Drive motor.
Hula.
Dahsyat lah ni. Ini tunjuk bucket tu.
Another layer first. You got to take out the no. Take out this layer first. Okay. Careful the ring. Look at the bucket. Crazy man.
Metal bucket.
Benda ni yang berat sangat tadi saya kata.
Oh.
First in Malaysia mining truck from LESU R100E.
R100E.
Check this out.
Hydraulic system. Tire, rim tadi.
Cylinder.
Silinder.
Oh.
Ini jet kot.
Telescopic, yes. Telescopic jet. Got two set.
That is for this.
Hydraulic cylinder system. Yeah.
Tengok chassis
Yes. What is it? Careful with this. Careful with this. Oh, dia punya
Okay,
itu.
another layer. Another layer.
Oh, you tahu letak balik lah nanti.
Tak tahu. Kita buat tak tahu.
What is this? The main frame.
Sangkut kat bawah tu bang.
Check this out. The logo. Front panel. Lah.
Cabut sini.
Mainframe. Habis tak boleh tidur lah malam ni. Careful. Very berat tau. Careful. Tengok. Dia tak mau letak atas. How many kg? Bearing semua dah siap. Kan?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Ini shock.
Oi, tengok Elsa, tengok Elsa.
Look at that.
You tengok Ezel, ada ke Ezel 114 tak?
And the first one in Malaysia.
Yes.
Compare to normal
Trailer axle. Huh.
trailer Ezel. So almost double.
Where got double?
Yes, double.
More than that lah.
This one is 100%.
The long. Huh. Worth it, bro. Really worth it. Worth for every penny, right?
You know how much? Price.
Tadi ada bagi tahu.
Murah saja. 18k plus.
Almost 20 lah.
Ha.
Yeah.
Almost 20k. Gila ni orang. Orang gila je beli.
Minat bang, minat je pasal mesti beli punya.
Okay.
This is the heart of the whole truck. Jantung.
Dia driven by hydraulic system.
Check this out.
Siap ada filter, hydraulic
Yes.
filter.
So detailed. Servo done. Pump.
Master pump.
Proper tube. Hydraulic meter. So everything got. Can't sleep already tonight.
This truck.
Ini tunggu bila